A variation for cooking rice can rely on 1 cup of cleaned and dried rice, 2 cups of water with a couple pinches of salt, a small amount of dry spices of your choice, some chopped garlic, and a saucepan that has a bit of oil in it. You want to spend some time heating up the oil in the pan, and when that gets nice and hot, you add the spice and brown it. It could take about a minute, maybe half a minute. Once that's well and dispersed and heated, you can mix in your cleaned and dried rice and heat that possibly to the extent of toasting it if you want. Spend some time mixing this so that it doesn't burn according to the heat. Once you've spent long enough time heating your rice with your spices, and when your rice and spice and oil has become hot, you can add the chopped garlic. Naturally, you want to also mix the garlic in very well with stirring, because otherwise you'll start to burn the rice, and you can also burn the garlic if you don't keep stirring it. Once you've gotten this far and it's still, the rice is all still hot, then it's time to add your water. And this you want to stir briefly at the beginning. And you want this to be on a high simmer so that you can see a little bit of bubbling for about a minute. No more than 2 minutes. You only want to let it simmer at a low boil like this for about a minute, minute and a half, and this is about what it looks like. And you want to have another burner set up with a really low flame. And when you're ready, transfer to the low flame burner to simmer for 20 minutes. Once your 20 minutes has gone by, it's time to shut the flame. Not only that, You want to remove your pot of rice from the stove and put it on a breadboard. Let it cool on the breadboard for several minutes. And now let's see what this rice looks like after resting and cooling for about an hour or two. Time to fluff the rice. And if you don't let it get too cold, it fluffs very, very well. And it's ready to either serve and eat or to refrigerate in a nice closed container.